Windows 11 users, be careful before Windows 11 KB5074109 updating. Microsoft's latest January 2026 Patch Tuesday update, KB5074109, is causing serious problems. We're talking black screen glitches, Outlook freezing, broken Azure Virtual Desktop, and even File Explorer customization bugs. In this video, I'll break down what's going wrong, who's affected, and what you can do right now. Let's get started. Issue number 1, random black screen after update. One of the most common complaints is a random black screen issue. After installing KB5074109, some users report that the desktop freezes briefly, the screen turns black, and then everything comes back. In some cases, users also notice their desktop wallpaper turning completely black, even if Spotlight or a custom background was set. For fixing, go to Setting, then Personalization. And then click on Background. Here is reselect your wallpaper. Update GPU drivers. Or uninstall KB5074109 if it happens frequently. Issue number 2, Outlook Classic freezes or won't close. This one is serious if you rely on email. Outlook Classic using POP or SMTP accounts is badly affected. What happens? Outlook appears closed but keeps running in the background. Outlook won't reopen. Get stuck on loading. Shows not responding white screen. The problem is that Outlook.exe never fully exits, so Windows thinks Outlook is already open. Temporary fix, open Task Manager. End Outlook.exe process. Reboot if necessary. Issue number 3, Azure Virtual Desktop and RDP broken. Microsoft also confirmed that KB5074109 can break Azure Virtual Desktop and Windows 365. Sign-in failures. Credential prompts not appearing. Error code 0x800080005. Remote desktop fails before session starts. What Microsoft says, this is a client-side bug, so your cloud data is safe. Here is workarounds. Use Windows App Web Client. Use the Remote Desktop Client. Apply Microsoft's known Issue Rollback, KIR, via Admin Portal. Issue number 4, desktop.ini and File Explorer customization broken. For advanced users, this update also breaks desktop.ini customization. Localized resource name ignored. Custom folder names not shown. Hidden folders like saved games reappear. File Explorer simply ignores desktop.ini after this update. Microsoft hasn't acknowledged this bug yet, but it's likely tied to internal Windows components like shell32.dll or explorer.exe. I've shared all these findings with Microsoft, and we're expecting fixes in upcoming updates. If you've noticed any other issues after installing KB5074109, let me know in the comments. We'll investigate together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so others stay informed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.